This is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I'll show how you can fix slow system issues on this device. So if your smartphone's performance feels sluggish, you might want to open the list of recent apps and close all of the applications you'll see there by tapping at the Close All button. What you might also want to do is to go into Settings, Device Care category. Here go into Standard or Performance Profile and make sure that is set to Standard. Here you might also want to enter the Auto Optimization and set it up. Another cool performance-related feature the feature that will improve your phone's performance and productivity is called RAM Plus, and once enabled, it provides you with additional random access memory gigabytes. In order to enable it, you'll need to launch Settings, then enter the Device Care category once again. Here tap at the Memory section, then open the RAM Plus, switch it on, select the amount of additional RAM gigabytes you would like to get, and then reboot your phone so all those changes will take effect or, will be applied properly. And that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.